Just wrapped San Diego Fox 5. You guys talked about Mother's Day gifts. A few of them, this was one of them. I said, you can make a gratitude jar. My husband gave this to me for our anniversary. Actually, it was Valentine's Day a couple years ago. And now it's kind of a thing that we do. It's really cute. But this is something, every kid has a jar in the house, right? Or like even Tupperware, put it in there. And these are all little things that he loves about me. And this one actually says, I love how loving you are with our girls. So do this, you guys. Mom will love it. She'll cherish it forever. There were some other tips as well. Another one was just get the kids out of the house. Put them in the car, gas it up, make them go potty first, get them out of the house. Another one was decorate a friend's door. So that could be really great if you have any moms that are single parents. You can go and just deck out their door. Another one was make a list of don'ts. So put signs all over the house of things mom's not allowed to do on Mother's Day, which could be the dishwasher, laundry room, and then put green go signs on all the things that she should be doing, which is holding the remote, drinking a wonderful bottle of wine, maybe a big green sign on the bathtub, stuff like that. So kids can make it fun, and you actually don't have to buy anything if you don't want to. So check them out on Fox 5. I'll get the clip and put it up, but isn't this amazing? 30 minutes. The back of my hair isn't done, but when you don't have to go to the studio, it doesn't matter. And I'm wearing sweatpants. It's great.